Hello friends, today we are going to do a study on Asian Paints Limited. Basically, Asian Paints is on the line of doing business for manufacturing and selling and distribution of paints. It is India's largest company in that line of business. So market capitalization is of 1,61,754 crore rupees. Current price it is trading at 1,686. Feel to be high and low. Low it has made of 1,291.25 paise and high it has made of 1,916.70 paise. Dividend yield is of 0.7%. Sales growth for last 3 years is 10.66%. Face value of the share is rupees 1. Now the book value over here it is showing 101.61 rupees. Come to its chart. So if you see, it has started from on 4th of June 2019. It is price of 1,359.70 paise. Somewhere it is going to 1882 also, and somewhere it is 1891, 1893. But right now it is trading at 1686. Okay, so there is an increase of nearby 15% in the 1 year period. Now come to 3 year period, you will see its price was rupees 1120 and it jumped to 1688 rupees. Okay, so if you want to plot the graph, by that thing we could understand much better. Okay, so here is the graph, something like it. So it is moving upward. Got the point? Now come for the 5 year trend, you will find, and I will draw over the line over here. So it is nearby of 800 rupees and it has gone up to 1600. So here it has made money 2 times in 5 years. Okay, in 5 years you could say. Okay, now okay, so now we will say take the maximum. So it has started from rupees 13.35 and it has jumped to 1688. So we're doing round up, so it is, I'm making it 40 and it is of 1700 rupees. Okay, so how much times it is? So let us do the calculations over here. So basically this path is moving straight away upwards. Now 1700 divided by rupees 40, which in turn multiplied by rupees 100. Okay, it will go 85 and it will become 2 times divided, it will become 50. One thing, now simply solve it. 0, 25, 42. So this is the percentage growth and it means that 42.5 times money has been appreciated in 15 years. Okay, how many years? In 15 years. So your 1 lakh has turned 42.5 lakh in a span of say 15 years. So that is the power of doing the investment in such a beautiful company like Asian Paints. It is basically blue chip company. Okay, now we'll study further more. Okay, okay, so now we'll jump to its quarterly report. Now our intention is that whether we should buy it or we should hold it or we should add further quantities. That is the three things. Okay, so here is the figure between June 2017, September 2017, December 2017, March 2018, June 2018, September 2018, December 2018, March 2019, June 2019, September 2019, December 2019, March 2020. Okay, I am taking the 4 quarters figure as well. Sales is just a bloodline of any organization, so sales is the main thing. So let us take the figure. 3,815 crores was the sales in 2017. It is increased to 4,265. It decreased to 4,261. It further increased to 4,484 crore rupees. It decreased to 4,390 crore rupees. Further increased to 4,615 crore rupees. Further increased to 5,263 crore rupees. decreased to 4,992 crore rupees. It has increased to 5,105 crore rupees, decreased to 5,051 crore rupees, further increased to 5,420 crore rupees. It has decreased to 4,636 crore rupees. Now, so what you find over here? You are finding that sales is increasing on an every quarter basis. So sale is increasing every quarter basis. Now come to its expenses. It is of 3,150 crore rupees. Now it has increased to 3,464 crore rupees. It decreased to 3,369 crore rupees. Increased to 3,644 crore rupees. Decreased to 3,461 crore rupees. Uh, Increased to 3,772 crore rupees. Further increased to 4,159 crore rupees. Decreased to 4,108 crore rupees. Further here decreased to 3,949 crore rupees. It increased to 4,099 crore rupees. It further increased to 4,231 crore rupees. It further decreased to 3,776 crore rupees. So what you're finding over here, that expenses are also increasing over the period of time. Okay, but if you compare for last December, that is March 2020 with that of December 2019, sales expenses has reduced, and this reduction has come due to the sales has also being reduced in March quarter as compared to December 2019 quarter. Now come to its operating profit, which was 665 crore rupees, jumped to 801 crore rupees, further increased to 891 crore rupees, decreased to 840 crore rupees, increased to 930 crore rupees, further decreased to 844 crore rupees, further increased to 9,104 crore rupees, decreased to 883 crore rupees, increased to 1,156 crore rupees, decreased to 952 crore rupees, increased to 1,189 crore rupees, decreased to 860 crore rupees. So operating profit over here, what it is showing, it is basically sales minus expenses, which is equal to operating profit, and operating profit is also increasing over the quarter of the years. Okay, and only in March 2020 is compared to December 2019, here the operating profit has been decreased. Now come to the profit before tax. It is 657 crore rupees, increased to 840 crore rupees. It further increased to 859 crore rupees. Here decreased to 784 crore rupees, increased to 846 crore rupees, decreased to 747 crore rupees, increased to 974 crore rupees, decreased to 738 crore rupees. It has increased to 1023 crore rupees, decreased to 949 crore rupees, increased to 1057 crore rupees, decreased to 699 crores rupees. So in case of profit before tax, you will find that every quarter its profit before tax is increasing. Only in case of March 2020, its profit before tax has been decreased as compared to December 2019. Now comes to the net profit. It is a 427 crore rupees, increased to 576 crore rupees, decreased to 555 crore rupees, further increased to 41 crore rupees, increased to 557 crore rupees. It further decreased to 492 crore rupees, increased to 626 crore rupees, further decreased to 472 crore rupees. Here it increased to 655 crore rupees. Here it increased to 823 crore rupees, and here it decreased 764 crore rupees, and here it is decreased to 462 crore rupees. So net profit is also increasing over the quarters, but if you compare that of March 2020, that of December 2019, so here you will find that net profit is also decreasing. Net profit is decreasing from the December 2020 quarter to the March 2020 quarter to December 2019 quarter. Come to the EPS, earning per share in rupees. It is a 4.46 in the. It increased to 6, it decreased to 5.78, it decreased to 5.01, further increased to 5.81, it decreased to 5.12, increased to 6.63, decreased to 4.93, increased to 6.83, decreased to increased to 8.58, here it decreased to 7.97, here it is decreased to 4.82. So in case of EPS, earning per share in rupees, you will find that its EPS is increasing every quarter basis, and in case of March 2020 compared to date of December 2019, its EPS has been decreased. Now the main concern is that whether we should buy it, hold it, or add it. So now the overall picture is that sales is increasing every quarter basis, operating profit is increasing every quarter basis, profit before tax is increasing every quarter basis, net profit is increasing every quarter basis, and the EPS is increasing every quarter basis. So that is a very big plus point. And if you draw the graph, you will find like this. So it is an upward trending graph. So yes, you could buy at any point. Definitely your money is going to be added, or your money is going to be increased. So yes, you should buy it. If you are having it, you should hold it, and if you want to add, you could add further. Okay, now let us take the position over here. If you want to go for the short term, our short term plan is of 6 months. Okay, if you're putting money for a 6 month, definitely here you're going to achieve the target of 2000 rupees. Okay, and in if your vision is of long term, okay, so if your vision is of long term, so in that scenario, let us take example of 5 years. In 5 years, two times your money will be, definitely it is going to become. And in case of and in case of 10 years, your money will become 5 times. This is the scenario. Okay, now, so definitely you should invest money in this type of blue chip company. You are not going to lose your money. So our recommendation will be buy call on Asian Paints. If you are having shares, hold it, it will increase further. If you want to add further shares, you could add it. Okay, so by this I conclude my videos, and those who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe it. Okay, if you like the video, please click on the like button, and also click on the click bell notification so that you could receive our notification every time. Thank you.